Hello students, after a long time for the online series of the lectures, we have to study today the importance of the complexes, coordination complexes. What is the importance of coordination chemistry? That we have to learn in today's session. So the point of discussion is the importance of complexes. You know that complexes, coordination compounds like salts and molecules are present in the biological fluids like hemoglobin and myoglobin are blood pigments of the animals or plant pigment chlorophyll. In hemoglobin, it contains four centers of heme group of iron. In myoglobin, it contains one center of heme group iron 2 plus attached with porphyrin rings, that is organic aromatic rings containing nitrogen. The fifth site is attached to histidine of the protein, so it is a red pigment which fixes the oxygen, transfers the oxygen in the blood plasma. In the chlorophyll plant pigment, magnesium 2 plus complex is there, porphyrin, nitrogens are there. It attracts the light and transfers the electron and light photons and electrons to the biological pigments of the plants in the photosynthesis, that is carbohydrate synthesis. So these are the very important complexes which has this important function in the biological fluids. It is a green pigment of the plant, that is chlorophyll. So substitution reactions occurs in the complexes, especially ligands get substituted to form the another complex. So let us take the example of Ml5X plus Y, MLY, Ml6Y and X get substituted. So here in the hemoglobin or myoglobin, the CO2 get attached, oxygen is removed, or reverse takes place. Oxygen is attached or CO2 is removed. Ligand substitution occurs on the complex metal species attached to the organic species. So the reactions of the complexes are also very important. So what are the importance of these biological complexes? Oxygen carrier in the blood pigment, metal trapping, preservation in the food materials, electron transport in the pigments of the plants or the animal cells. Here for example, electron chlorophyll is trapped to the light and transferred into plant. It is required for the photosynthesis. So 6CO2, n number of 6CO2, n number of 6H2 get combined in presence of light, H nu, chlorophyll transfers that electron or photon, and carbohydrate gets synthesized like glucose, C6H12O6. So multiple glucose molecules, fructose molecules like carbohydrates gets formed. So that is the importance of the complexes which has the biological applications. Not only biological chemistry but food chemistry. In the analytical chemistry, these complexes have the applications. The complexes have the special characteristics of the attachment of ligands with the metal. They have the special colors. The reactions are important. Substitutions of the ligands are important. And they plays important role of the electron transfer, oxygen carrier, or light transfer, light fixation, energy transfer in the biological cells like animal and plant cells. So that is the importance of the complexes, not only biological chemistry, in analytical and food chemistry also.